Another important part of preparing for the winter is seed saving. You want to seed save because without it, there'd be no seeds for next year's planting. So here on the table, we have a variety of different plants that we're going to save the seeds from. Over here we have basil, in the middle we have beans, and over here we have the radish. And here there are ground cherries. When saving seeds, it's important to know that some plants have their seeds on the inside and some plants have their seeds on the outside. If you take a look at the beans, to save the seeds of beans, you want to split open the beans. Their seeds are on the inside. There are many different varieties of beans, but all the seeds from beans will be on the inside of the plant. Next is basil. Basil seeds are in its flowers. So to harvest the seed, you want to take the flower. And try to find the little seeds. Once you have them, just put them in a container. This is a radish. To harvest its seeds, you want to go up to these little pods that almost look like beans. And like beans, their seeds are on the inside. Finally, we have ground cherries. To harvest the seed of ground cherries, you want to take the fruit and open it. And the seeds are on the inside. Once you have your seeds, you want to put them in a dry place, and then you can use them next year. But also make sure you label them with the type of plant you have and the date that you dried them out.